I grew up in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area, and I lived in Atlanta for 17 years, and I've been in California for 4. And there is one thing that I see when I look around me that I didn't see in other areas. The DMV and the Bay Area are a lot alike because they are both multicultural. Atlanta is predominantly black. I had never seen that many black people ever in one place in my life, and I still don't see it here in Northern California. What's popular here is partnerships. Everyone is 50-50. They're doing everything together as one unit. It's not really a gender role type of thing. They own restaurants together, gas stations together, nail salons together, spas together, all types of businesses that you can think of. Man and wife, boyfriend and girlfriend, they're all working together as one unit. There is a significant difference between virtual reality and real reality. So when I get on the internet and I see people talking about how they can't do 50-50, or that men should pay for everything and women shouldn't, and resting in their femininity is all of this blah, blah, blah bullshit. When I see women downplaying 50-50 and partnership, I understand that it's out of frustration because they were unable to choose a healthy man to have a loving, caring relationship with. They get on the internet and sell themselves to the highest bidder because in real life, love and relationships was so unfortunate to them. So when you get on the internet and you see women pushing hypergamy, that is for entertainment purposes only. That is not something that you need to apply to your real life, because in real life, regardless of how much money you make, these people are working together. I just said I live in Northern California. Everybody wealthy here. They work together as one unit, as a team. Masculine and feminine energy is supposed to work together in harmony.